Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Yeah. Oh. Does that taste good, Rachel? Yeah? Pretty good? You giving her a kiss, Jack Jack? Oh. Jack Jack? You took the key. Because you took him from you, Jack. I think that's going to be the story of your life, babe. Hey, Rachel, what you doing on, Rachel? You say bye to Grandma? Say bye, Grandma.